In this problem, it is given a car is moving along a straight road with speed u. A piece of paper of mass small m and area capital A is resting in front of the car. There is a wind blowing against car at speed v. You can follow the diagram. You can observe in the diagram the car is moving in the straight road with speed u from left to right, and this is the paper piece in front of the car, and air is blowing from right to left with speed v. U and v both are constant. Okay, and in the next part of the question it is given the density of air is rho. Assuming that air molecules after striking paper come to the rest relative to the car, that means the speed of the air molecule just after collision with the paper become 0. We need to find the minimum coefficient of friction between the paper and car surface so that paper does not fall. This is the problem. Now let us analyze the situation. So let us make the paper, this is the paper, and paper is moving with the car with the speed u in the rightward direction. Okay, and we know air is blowing from right to left with the speed v. Okay, we can say in reference frame of the car, air molecule strike with the speed u plus v. That means the speed of the air molecule as seen from the paper reference frame should be equal to v plus u, and after collision this immediately come to the rest. That means the speed of the air molecule will be same as the speed of the paper piece or car. Now consider 1 second, that is the unit time. We can say in unit time the air column is striking the paper should have the length v plus u, because the speed of the air molecule with respect to the car is v plus u. So let us consider air column of length v plus u, right? We are considering 1 second, and we know in 1 second length of the air column striking the paper should be equal to relative speed of the air column with respect to paper multiplied by 1 second, that is equal to u plus v. Okay, now we can calculate the volume of the air molecules or volume of the air striking per unit time. We are given this length has u plus v and the area of paper is capital A. That means the volume of the air striking the paper per second is equal to this length multiplied by area, right? And we are also given the density of the air, that is rho. That means if we multiply density with the volume, we can get the mass of the air column striking per second, that is rho A v plus u, right? Now let us calculate the rate of change of the linear momentum of the air particle, right? And we know the rate of striking the mass per unit time is constant, that is equal to rho A v plus u, and speed of the air molecule with respect to the paper piece is also constant, that is again u plus v. So we can find the rate of change of linear momentum. Let us calculate the magnitude of the rate of change of linear momentum. That should be equal to dm by dt multiplied by v relative, and dm by dt is equal to rho A v plus u and v relative is equal to v plus u. So this is equal to rho A v plus u whole square, right? And we know this quantity is nothing but force applied by the air on the paper piece. So we got the magnitude of the force applied by air molecule on the paper piece, that is equal to rho A v plus u whole square. And this force should be in the leftward direction. This is the force applied by air molecules. Okay, normal reaction imparted by car on the paper piece should be in the rightward direction. This is the normal reaction, and weight of the paper piece will act in the downward direction, that is small mg, and friction force will act in the upward direction, that is mu multiplied by n, that is the maximum possible value of the friction force. And for paper does not fall, the friction on it should balance the weight of the paper. So we can write F max should be greater than or equal to small mg, right? This is small mg, greater than small mg, right? Now we can calculate the value of the friction force. For calculating this, we need to calculate the normal reaction, and this normal reaction should be equal to F air, and F air equal to rho A V plus U whole square. So let us substitute this value. If we simplify this relation, we can get the value of mu. So mu should be greater than or equal to mg divided by rho A V plus U whole square. This is the minimum possible friction force between the paper and car. Dear aspirants, Cengage India has launched the new edition of our JEE Advanced Physics books. Please visit www.cengage.co.in to buy a copy. You can also buy the books from Amazon or Flipkart.